So today we're doing a photo shoot and a video shoot with a helicopter here for a detailing product line. So yeah, we'll keep you guys updated. We're going on a helicopter tour. It's gonna be pretty cool. First time in a helicopter in a while. So we're gonna document the journey and take you along with us. I wish my wife was here with me to enjoy this beautiful sun, but we'll see you guys on the next one. I want to say a huge shout out to George and the crew. It was an amazing experience. We're waiting to go flying in the helicopter. We're not flying in this one, but this is definitely a goal one day. By the will of God, we're gonna have one of these with the car collection, but maybe we have to start off small with one of these. This is our buddy's helicopter, but we need one of these one day. We gotta start off small, start somewhere, you know? Dream big and work hard. Things are gonna happen when you least expect it. As long as you do what? You pray, you dream, and you strive for those ambitions, that you work hard, you're gonna make it. You're gonna make it sooner or later. So we're gonna see you in the next clip, which is gonna be in the air.